So firstly I'm going to go on and put on some tan, which is the Bondi Sands tan. I do have a video, I will link it somewhere or below. Put on some hard pajamas because we are about to love ourselves. So now that we have to wait for this tan to develop, I thought, why not do a little sing-song? Oh, you see my face, hope gives you hell, hope gives you hell. When you walk my way, hope gives you hell, hope it gives you hell. Firstly, go get on something that makes you feel damn good. Okay, so makeup wise, we are wanting to do something that will make us feel confident, beautiful, and fierce. So firstly, I'm going to put on my base. It's the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Beige. It is mattifying, and it's awesome. The eyebrows, I'm using the Brow This Way eyebrow palette. It is in dark brown. I'm just gonna line out my eyebrow. Whenever I've lined out my eyebrows, I'm just gonna blend that up so it fills them in without adding more kind of colour to it. Now taking my P. Louise base, it is in the shade Rimmer, and I'm just going to line out my eyebrows and also prime my lids basically with it. Then I'm going to take my Carnival palettes, which is the extra large Pro palette, and I'm going to use the basic haul. So just going over my full lid with basic. Going in with haul right on the outside. Going in with Maybelline gel liner. We're going with a wee winged liner today because it makes us feel famous. I'm going to put some of that in my waterline as well to really darken that up a wee bit because there's not much going on at the top. Then I'm taking basic again. I'm going right underneath. And then a wee bit of haul. So I'm going to go stick on some new lashes. These are the Kaylee MEA lashes. And, you know, they beautiful. So beautiful. Already feeling 100 times better. Hi. The joys of eyelashes. Okay, so I'm going to go do this eye and then I'll be back to do my face. Okay, on to the face. Whenever you've done both eyes, we're going to go on to the face and make them all pretty. Make them all pretty. It's one face. With the foundation, which is L'Oreal True Match. It's new. Hey, another new thing. Woohoo! I spoiled myself. Now I'm going to contour the face to make it all beautiful. So firstly, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm going in with the darkest shade. And then the second darkest around my face, just contouring everywhere. And I'm going to put on a little bit of pink for blusher. I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match concealer, and it's just in the shade Rose Ivory. That under, down the sides of the nose. Now taking my RTMA No Colour Powder as usual and just place that everywhere that we've just done. Right, so taking a little bit of bronzer, that is upside down. Taking a little bit of Hoola Benefit bronzer and just patting that on. Making us feel. Okay, so for lipstick today I am going with a bright red because red is my favourite colour. It makes me feel good, makes me feel confident, which I said at the start of this video, that's what we're trying to do. So I'm going to take the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Outlaw. Already feeling myself? Yes. Taking the Sueva Coral Spectrum palette and I'm just gonna put a little bit of blusher on. Debatably on my nose. A little bit on the chin. But yeah, I've just went ahead and straightened my hair. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this video and keep going strong. Bye. See you in the next video.